The Moto G86 Power 5G was launched in India. Moto G86 Power 5G price in India is set at 17,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB RAM and storage. It is offered in Cosmic Sky, Golden Cypress, and Spellbound colorways. It has a flat 6.67-inch POL display with a 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. It features a flat frame, a flat backplate, and a seamless camera island in the top left corner. The power and volume buttons are on the right side, and there is Dolby Atmos branding at the top. The Moto G86 Power 5G sports a 6.7-inch Super HD AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, up to 4,500 nits peak brightness, and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. Moto G86 Power is equipped with a 4nm octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7400 SoC paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. The Moto G86 Power 5G features a 50-megapixel Sony LYTIA-600 primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter with a macro mode. The front camera is 32MP. The standout feature is the 6,720 mAh battery, which brings the phone's weight to 198g, and supports 33W turbo power charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.